artificial, huh?
Yeah. The whole thing is artificial?
Yeah, yeah.
No.
But if you want,
But what about the sun?
that's artificial.
No.
But that's not the sun. That's not the sun. Yeah. If you walk around, you see it kind of moves in the sky with you.
What kind of witchcraft are you doing? That's insane.
And it's when you understand the idea that the blue sky is here because of the atmosphere interacting with the light from the sun and the scattering of a blue spectrum, you come to realize what a remarkable technology this is. This technology is effectively replicating that same process.
We have a layer, which is the atmosphere, which is made by air, so nitrogen, oxygen, and CO2 basically. And these air molecules, they are all moving and they create some bumps and small fluctuation. In some part is more dense, some other is less dense. And this fluctuation, when they are hurt by the ray of the sun, they just scatter the light. And because they are very small, at a nanometer level, what it happens is that only the blue is scattered and the red goes through. So take nanoparticles, which are basically doing the same as the air molecule fluctuation they are doing, compress the atmosphere from 10 kilometers. You can imagine to compress it down to a few millimeters. And that's making a solid, not in a gas or not in a liquid. So this is the
白い
sky.
連動タイプは時間に合わせて移り変わる空の演出ができます。他の照明器具と組み合わせて空間全体をタイムスケジュールで運用することで、日の出から夜までの一日の移り変わる空の表情を自然に再現します。空間全体の光環境を連動させることで、外と内とのつながりを自然に演出します。